guys, it's Elisa here from Cottage Creek. It's been exactly 4 weeks since we planted our potatoes in a grow bag together, and I just wanted to hop on to show you how progress has been going and show you how I take care of them as they grow from here on out. Okay guys, so this is the grow bag that we used. We got it off of Amazon, and look at all of this growth. We have another one here and right there. So the soil is very dry. We have been keeping it dry, and now it's time to water. So I have watered 2 other times after we planted together, which if you missed that video, go on to the page and you can find, I think I titled the video Planting Potatoes in Grow Bags, something very straightforward and simple. So I told you that I water with banana peels, and I do. So this is how we are getting this. I've watered twice so far since we planted. This is a half-gallon mason jar that I have 5 potato, I do not have 5 potato peels in there. I have banana peels to grow the potatoes in the water. I cover it to the top. I put the lid on after I fill with water. I just set the ring on to hold it in place, but I do not screw down because it is fermenting. So with the fermenting process, you're gonna get bubbles and pressure. So you don't want to create a mess. So we just place the top on and set we place the lid on, and then we set the ring just on top just to hold it in place. And this is 3 days old. This one is 3 days old. So it's strong enough now that we can water our potatoes. All right, guys, so now that we have watered, that's pretty much it. I used just about the whole half-gallon of water, and we will wait until it gets dry. The soil gets dry again, like when I just showed you, and then we will water again. With the weather starting to warm up, we will probably increase to watering once a week. But remember, potatoes do not want the soil to be very wet. They want it to just be moist. So, but growing it in grow bags, you really can control the environment a lot better than if it's in the soil, because if we wind up having a very wet and rainy springtime, we can then bring the potatoes back in and then just allow them on sunny days to get some sunshine and continue to grow just like this. This week will be in the 50s, so I definitely will be bringing my potatoes, my grow bag, outside and letting it sit in the sun during the nice weather this week. But if it gets cold, we can then bring them back in and we don't stunt the growth at all. So this is a perfect method for anyone, no matter how big or small your grow space is. So thank you so much for watching and coming in, hanging out with me today. And if you are interested on how we planted the potatoes, go check out the video on our channel to see how we grow. It's very, very simple, and as you can see, it does work. So I'll talk to you real soon, guys. Bye.